Just here. I'll get this nice little package here. Let's try it. Bye-bye. Okay, so welcome to Beijing on this cold morning, and once again it's winter. As you can see, I just got this very nice little breakfast here. Normally I eat at home, but I figured I want to try some local stuff. So this was 11 RMB, so that's like $1.5 US. So let's try it out. Very crispy. Definitely not the healthiest, but you get kind of a pancake. I think it's called like Chinese egg pancake. You have a bit of a chicken breast here and some bread, of course, a carb. So yeah, I'm just gonna eat this quickly, take a walk, see what I can find. I was actually planning to see the cherry blossoms, but now it's snow outside, so I'm gonna take a walk and then go to the gym, and then we'll see what happens today. Got a nice coffee here. Just went out for a walk here in China Park and come here almost every weekend. I was thinking about seeing the cherry blossoms, as I mentioned, but it's a bit snowy, so I think I'm gonna skip it for today, but have at least my morning coffee here. Always nice to get those steps in here and explore a bit. I hope it's kind of the last final push for winter here before we get the spring, but we'll see. I'm just gonna go in here. I like to get my kind of 10k steps in the morning. Maybe now add another 5 kilometers, get up to 16, then I have Chinese class in 2 hours, so we'll see if we get some food before or after what I do. But I'll just show you some clip here in the background walking around, and then I will see you a bit later. Before I go back, I just wanted to show you guys a bit kind of this theme park stuff in the background. Very weird noises, kind of elephant or something. I'm not sure what that's supposed to be like. You also have kind of like a roller coaster here and these swings. A bit too cold for that now, but who knows, maybe I can go back when it's a bit warmer outside. It's a bit strange in the middle of the big park. You have all this stuff going on in the background. I just wanted to show that, and it's very strange sound, but now I'm gonna go back and go and eat something. Okay, so finally it's time to have lunch, and I got in 13,000 steps, so I'm gonna see what I can find. I'm thinking I'm gonna go back actually here to the place I saw last time. They look very nice and very spicy. This I'm gonna try out, so let's see what they have on the lunch menu. Old Changsha Yellow Dining Hall, so let's check out what that is. It looks spicy. Let's try it. Okay, so we got a seat and the place actually looks really nice. I got a spicy menu here. See what they have. I think I'm gonna scan the QR code, check it out, and we'll pick some nice stuff. I think I picked the 2 famous ones, this one and then this. So we're gonna have shrimp and beef. It's gonna be nice. Wow, seems like we got this one. Oh, that is looking nice. We got the nice candle here. Oh, now we got this food. Wow, that is looking fantastic. Got the shrimp, I think. Ooh, looking forward to trying that. Okay, so we got the food and it's looking pretty amazing. Just look at this. We have the beef. We have the shrimp, so I'm gonna try them one by one. Let's start with the beef here. Wow. So look at this. Amazing. Let's try one of these shrimps. Wow, that is amazing. Gonna try a bit more of this beef here. I mean, just look at it. It's crazy good. Chinese food is so great. One last bite. Yeah, okay, so I'm gonna wrap this up here. Enjoy this, take my time, get a lot of good energy, a lot of protein from my Chinese class, and then also the gym. And then we'll see what happens later, but see you after Chinese class. Okay, so I just finished my Chinese class now, and I must say, even though I had that huge, enormous, and fantastic lunch, I didn't feel as tired as last time, because I had, I think, like noodles or rice, twice weekends in a row. But today was basically a lot of fat and protein, so a lot of calories, but definitely much better for the energy level. So I'm gonna make good use of that now. Go to the gym, but as you see, the sun came out, and it's basically almost like summer, or at least no more winter. So I'm gonna make that a good use, build some muscle hopefully, and then I will see you back at dinner. Okay, so finally it's time for dinner. I got to the gym and had a lot of energy for sure, but still it didn't really feel as good as when I normally eat more like healthy food through the day. So basically now I'm gonna end the day with a very healthy meal, you could say. So it's chicken, and then I tried this kind of new cognac noodles I've actually never tried before. Supposedly it's only 24 calories for 200 grams, so basically eat a lot. So I ordered a lot of that online, but then It's just a lot of vegetables here and actually a big layer of salad underneath. And then just fried some chicken, very little oil. So let's see, let's try it out. Gonna start with a bit of a piece of chicken here. Very nice, just fried here. A lot of good protein. For sure a bit dry compared to the very oily and greasy lunch. That was great, but I think actually just looking at my face, maybe you can see here, but I definitely feel if I eat a lot of greasy food, I feel worse, a bit more sluggish, and definitely my skin is worse. So tomorrow it's back to more healthy food. But now let's try the noodles here. So it seems they turned a bit green here, I guess, from all the spinach and stuff like this. I also added 3 eggs for extra protein, but very low calories here. Yeah, I guess you can see here. Let's try it. Very filling. Then of course my favorite, kimchi. Can never go wrong with this. Very nice. Then maybe not everyone likes chili, but I really like this kind of Sichuan ones. They're quite sweet actually, not that spicy. Tastes great. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed that. I'm just gonna finish up here, enjoy some of this food, eat more healthy, and tomorrow definitely back to more healthy options, not eating it so much. But I just want to show you guys that you can balance, eating out, oily food, greasy food, carbs, and then just switch up with healthy. As long as you get your exercise in, you can do walking, running, gym, whatever. So yeah, that's what I enjoy doing, trying new things, but also kind of balancing it out. So if you have questions on how I do this, or have other things you want to see here in Beijing or China, let me know. Otherwise, like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.